In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to add products to your catalog. You already need to have added categories to be able to add products. So we are going to assume that you've watched the tutorial that we have provided on adding categories. But you go to Catalog, Categories and Products, you click that link, you will see the category that we added in our previous category tutorial. You click on the category. So we wanted to add clothing, and then we add a new product in the clothing category. The date available, we will select today's date. Product name, we will put t-shirt. Product's price, we'll put $19.99. You can put anything in the product description that describes your product. Most of these items here you just want to leave the same if you're selling any products that are going to be shipped, and most people are, so this is just a very basic tutorial. So you just do the product name, the product's price net, and the description. You leave all the rest of it the same. Down here under products quantity, we're going to put 10. You put in whatever amount of product quantity that you have available, because this way it can track your inventory for you. If you have a model number, you can put it in there. Right now we are not going to do that. For image, we click browse and we will go to our image. We have an image of a t-shirt we're going to load up in there. Okay, and then we leave all the rest of these blank. You can put the shipping weight. It's in pounds, so we're going to put 1 for 1 pound. You don't have to put the shipping weight if you are not going to configure your shopping cart to ship by weight, but if you think you will at some point, it's good to put the shipping weight in there. The sort order, you can leave this blank or at 0, and basically what will happen is that they will sort in alphabetical order. But if you want them to sort specifically, you can put 1 for the one that you want in the first place, 2 for second place, and so on. So we click Preview. You can see we have our shirt. It won't look squished like that when it goes into the catalog. This is just the way it previews out. It's $19.99. T-shirts. T-shirts for sale is what I put in as the description, but you should have a description that's more descriptive than that, but this is just a sample. We click Insert. And now we have t-shirts in there as listed, and you can see this one right here, the status, it says green. It's green and it says enabled, so this means that it's on your shopping cart live right now. If you click it and make it red, it will be disabled, and so then it won't be on your shopping cart. So you always want to make sure these are green if you want them to appear in there. And just so you know, you can edit your products at any time by clicking this button, delete it by clicking this one, move it by clicking this one, copy it by this one, adjust the attributes, which are, we will do that in a later one, but the attributes basically are like if you wanted to add sizes or colors. And then like here's the price manager, and then here are where you can define your meta tags, so search engines will be able to find your product, where you can put the keywords and the description in there. So let's look at it in the online catalog real quick, just to make sure it's in there. It's always a good idea to verify that these changes that you have made are actually in there. So you can see we have a product in the clothing category. We click on it, and you can see our products here, and you can see the larger image. You don't want your images to be any larger than this, so you want them to fit on your screen, and the smaller the image that you use, the faster your shopping cart will load. So that's one thing to keep in mind. But you can see that we have successfully added our first product.